warning for Tarrant County in north central Texas until 3 a.m. At 2:02 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Weatherford, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Saginaw, Sansom Park and Pecan Acres around 2:10 a.m., Haslett, Blue Mount, Haltom City and Cannondale around 2:15 a.m., Keller and White-Target around 2:20 a.m., Fort Worth around 2:20 a.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth.